And you have to respect the work this superstar has been putting in order to meet the kind of challenge he faces tonight.
Without a doubt, we've seen the hard work paying off. You don't find yourself in a match like this without dedicating your time into your craft.
All that time spent has her in a good position to pull off a victory here.
But don't underestimate her opposition. A superstar with great athletic prowess and an in-ring IQ that's prepared her for any situation.
And she kicks out, likely just trying to sap out some energy with that cover. Blast off!
Diving corkscrew moonsault?
Places her right in.
Wait a second. Setting her up for... No, this is... She can't do this. No way.
Byron, very few people have done this. Are you kidding me?
There's way too much distance to cover here.
Oh, what impact. And she can't find a response for this assault.
Yeah, she's on the bad end of every maneuver.
Cover. 1, 2. She was close to the end there.
At this point in the match, that could have gone either way.
Into the cutter.
Taking this match off the mat now.
Oh, my.
Dragon Rana connects. Powers through after 2.
No celebrations yet. In defeat. She's going up.
Top rope here.
She's got her in her sights. From the top.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God.
She seems to have gained the advantage here.
Yeah, she is going all out. She just won't stay down. Are you kidding me? A rotation boot, sorry.
And now about do it, folks.
Here is your winner, Alex Bishop.
What an emphatic victory, guys. No contest.
An absolute statement by the victor here tonight. What a steamroller.